Hi, I'm Dr. Marc Agronin of Miami Jewish Health. So many of us are worried about older family, friends, and loved ones who might be afraid or isolated during this time. Many of these individuals are living in senior communities or nursing homes, which are not allowing any visitors. What can you do to reach out and connect with them, even from afar? To start with, make contact with them on a regular basis, by phone, email, video links, or even by letter, to let the person know that you are thinking about them. Any form of personal contact like that will bring a smile to their face and make them feel loved, cared for, and connected to you. For those individuals who live in senior communities, stay in regular contact with staff to get updates on how they're doing and on what staff is doing to keep them safe and busy and maintaining as normal a routine as possible. Find ways to support these communities as well. Ask them what they need during these challenging times. Go. Until next time, be safe.